you bitch! Jesus, you little hoe! You can't even pull any wives, you little bitch! I don't see you pulling any bitches! How dare you! Oh my god, guys, is Rengoku on his period? But he's a guy! Is he secretly a woman? Wait, what the fuck? That's so scary! Rengoku's on his period! Oh, he's a man! Shit, my water bag! You're not a woman! Rengoku, you need some milk! Now that he's on his period! Yo, shut up for the last time! He isn't a girl! Yes, he is! He's on his period! Baby, screw it!
I'm on my fucking period.
Yo, he isn't on his period! You little fool! I ain't gonna die on your girl! This time we die together, you little bitch! What the fuck? I can feel the anger! You're like an alpha boy that's angry because I went in blister and I gave you all the bread I bought! Shut up, I can't hear shit!
Oh my god, these people are so loud.
Sword of my dick! You